Hello, for February 27 forecast on the euro dollar. So I'm using polarities here. We're currently at a polarity at 1.0484. It is a I've got this marked as a 5 pip polarity. You can see there is a min and max is here that supports the polarity, and also from yesterday's low of day and a retracement from the day before. Resting on low of days, resting on a low of retracement, resting on a high of a retracement here on our previous day, 2 days before. So we also have trend lines, 45-degree trend lines, which are currently showing that there is a sell pressure. So as long as this 45-degree angle trend line resistance holds, then we should expect it to fall under this polarity. And if that happens, then we're looking for this as a target, as the first target at 1.046. And that would be a 19 pip reward to a 5 pip loss, effectively by 1 to 4. However, this appears to be part of a larger pattern, which is a triangle pattern, and if that triangle pattern breaks, then you'll be looking at least this as a target. Hopefully this is a target, and this is also a polarity from a prior very long time. Here you go, right here. So this is a polarity from this time here, which is in September. So very long-term polarity, and that it appears that it's targeting there as a support. That is about 267 pips away. And we do have these other polarities targets here also. So this is the first polarity target, this would be the second, third, and then finally at the completing the triangle break move at 1.0211. So all of these trendline breaks and chart patterns are fine, but what happens during that and inside them and before them are these potential polarity inversions. So what I'm doing is I'm using the chart patterns and trend lines as more weight on whatever polarity I decide, and logic on the polarity. So currently I would expect, as long as this trend line holds here, it's under this 45-degree trend line. So as long as this holds, I would expect this polarity a gap to be filled, and so we can see that it's still, but I would not enter a sell. I am in a sell, but I don't suggest entering a sell until the price falls under this polarity, which it has not yet. So it's still got about, when you see that on the H1 or the H4, close on the H1 or H4, use the M15 at most, I would say. But in order to avoid looking at too much detail, I would prefer confirmation, candlestick confirmations with the H1 or H4. Okay, that's it today, and see what happens.